You know, it's not every day you're going to be down on your knees looking through your grill to look at your air conditioning condenser. But God, it'd be nice when you do. It's sexy. So we're going to show you what we've done here. There was one day I was standing in this position and I was looking at our aftermarket air conditioning system we're fitting into this car that we're building. And I'm looking at the bracketry. If you bring your camera and look up there, Andrew, I'm just kind of looking at how this is set in this car. It's not very sexy at all. And so I thought we would pizzazz it up a little bit and give it a little sex appeal. It's not enough. Now it's right. So we went around with our countersink bit and did our countersink. This is the screw we're using. You could use a pan screw as well. This is not countersunk, that's your call. You decide what you want it to look like, how you want it to look like. So there's our answer, a condenser shroud. Okay, you have the factory holes here that hold the bracket for the radiator if you choose to do it that way to fasten it. Or you can come down the side and use the same bolt holes that are made to hold in the radiator. So if you want to leave it clean up here, depending on what you're doing back here, we're trying to get a clean look in here. That condenser is just sitting in there so sexy. It's got a little carbon fiber flare going to it. You can paint it. If you want to order one that's not carbon fiber, we'll sell you one that's just fiberglass. And it'll come in black gel coat, but this first one out of the gate, we had to do it in carbon fiber. So your two bottom holes for your headlight supports, we didn't drill them yet, but that's where your bolt holes will come through to fasten the bottom. And then if you want to, you can come up the sides with your fasteners for your radiator if you choose to do it that way. Or you can use the top. That's something you have to decide, but when you stand back and look at this, that looks a lot more sexier than what we were looking at. And that's what we're trying to do here with these old girls. You got this gorgeous carbon fiber here, and you got this black core support here. Wouldn't that be sexier yet if the whole core support was carbon fiber? We might have to think about something like that.
Sorry.
Now we have our grill molding. This is our grill molding for this 64 car that, as you all know, it's 3-piece from the factory. We made it 1-piece. And we just want to clean everything up. So here's our 1-piece, just sitting in there. Fits tight like you know how things are supposed to fit. And so if you look at the difference in the carbon fiber here and the carbon fiber on the condenser shroud, this has a deeper look to it. It's because we've came back over this, as Corey showed you in a video not too long ago, where he blocked it down with 320, used automotive clear and clear coated it. This has clear coat on it, the carbon fiber when you get it from us. Or the clear for the carbon fiber is a marine quality clear. But when we're building parts, we use the same resin to build a part that we use to build a mold with. We use all vinyl ester resins in how we build a part. We want our part to be superior to anything else that's out there. We want our part to make sure it's going to be the best. And so we use vinyl ester resin in our parts. And the vinyl ester resin kicks off at a higher exotherm, or however the scientists relate to that. And so that puts a little bit of a look to the clear, to the gel coat clear. And so when you come back and block that down, as Corey mentioned, we block with 320, you can go up to 400 if you want, and then use automotive clear, whatever brand clear coat you're using. That gives the carbon fiber a much deeper, darker look, and just to enhance everything we're doing on this car. Keep watching, because this car is going to be dripping in carbon fiber. Thanks for watching.